Hi there, students. Ledger. A ledger. A countable noun. This is a business word. This is an accountant's word. A ledger is a book in which the transactions of a business are recorded. Yeah, as in money in and money out. So that you can see how the business is going. It's the accountancy, effectively. Okay, so a ledger. You could have a ledger clerk. This is somebody who spends their life recording the transactions of the business. Nowadays, though, a ledger has become something that's done in a computer. But I guess the spreadsheet that the accountant uses could still be called a ledger. A ledger has various other meanings as well. A ledger can be a flat stone, a large flat stone, particularly one that goes over a grave, on top of a gravestone, on top of somebody who's been buried. And then the words are written. It's not one of these, it's a flat one like this. So a ledger stone, a stone that's laid flat over the top of a grave. Also, in scaffolding, when builders are repairing a building, very often they use flat planks, flat pieces of wood to be able to walk on to access certain areas. This is also a ledger. And finally, you can use a ledger when you're fishing. It's a weight that makes your hook sink to the bottom. Yeah, and you can even use that like a verb. So I have actually been ledgering on more than one occasion. Okay, so a ledger. It's the principal book in which all the transactions of a company are recorded, are written down. The ledger, everything all sales are recorded in the ledger. All of the money that is spent is also recorded in a ledger. Okay, so a ledger. I believe nowadays they use this word in blockchain, and I think a ledger in blockchain is a database where the ownership of something is recorded. Who is the owner of something, particularly for an NFT or something like that. Non-fungible token. Look at the video Fungible if you don't know that one. Okay, so a ledger. Formality. Okay, the book, it is what it is. The accounting book, I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It's business, so I guess you could use it with any formality, although maybe it's a bit formal, but it describes what it is. A ledger in as a flat stone, I guess 6 in formality as well. I'm not sure I'd use it informally. To go ledgering, to go fishing with weights, I think probably 5 in formality, use anywhere. Okay, so as to origin, this word comes from a Middle English word, ledger, talking about a beam or a flat plank. From the verb lean, to lie down or to be located or to stay. The stone I can understand like that, and the fishing meaning. The book, maybe more difficult to understand. Well, I guess it's where the records of the company lie. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ledger.